I'm standing out in front of Santa Apolónia train station in Lisbon. I think it's the oldest train station in Portugal. It was built or was inaugurated May 1st. Wait, is that right? Hold on one second. It was inaugurated May 1st, 1865. Wow, today's May 1st. It's this train station's birthday. How funny, I just realized that. Anyway, the plan for today is to walk from this station to the new station in Lisbon, the Oriente. It's gonna be a long walk though, 6 miles, so I don't know if my little feetsies can do it. If I get tired, we can always rent one of those scooters or something. Like that dude's on. So here's the side of the train station. It runs all the way down this street. When it was originally built, it was right on the side of the river so that you could have boats come up and you could unload stuff from the trains and put them on the boats, and the boats would go to America. Just for historical context, 1865, May 1st, was just a couple of days after Lincoln was assassinated.
Now we know.
And knowing is half the battle.
Boy, those little scooters are everywhere. She's pretty. Watering her flowers. Oh, now she's dead. Viva a vida. Oh, I love this road. There's a really good piece of art coming up. Looks like a painting of a sculpture. I love the colors. That might be one of my favorites I've seen so far. Well, we had one day without wind. That was yesterday. Now we're back to the wind. I love benches just in the middle of nowhere, especially when they're in the shade. That is perfect. Looks like it's closed or it's going to be opening soon. There's a bunch of people just waiting over there. By the way, if any of you are ever doing a backpacking trip through Europe, one of the fun things you can try is taking a midnight train from like Madrid to Lisbon. You arrive at like that Santa Apolónia station at 7:30 in the morning. You get on a train in Madrid at like 9:30 p.m., sleep on the train, and wake up and you're in Lisbon. Of course, you've got a little clank, 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 clank all night long. Oh, we're coming up on the Bordello Deutsch. This is actually his studio. Check this out, you guys. They got a nice chimpanzee.
Não tá nada. Então tem essa porcaria toda aqui, não tá nada. Isso é... Olha para isto.
Sim.
Mas eu não gosto de ver isto. Oh, filha, estou aqui, eu moro aqui há 50 anos. Oh, tia, cala-te. Esta porcaria aqui, para mim isto é uma porcaria.
É porcaria?
É, para ela é. Sabe o que eu posso dizer? Merda.
Merda?
Oi, eu moro aqui, ao pé, mas vir isto assim nunca vi.
Ah, sério?
Isto é arte.
Porcaria chama-se arte.
Arte moderna.
É arte moderna.
É,
sim.
porcaria. É uma merda.
É.
Ó tia,
Oh, tia,
já
não.
está.
Então posso dizer.
Ciao. Anyways, this is his studio where he makes all the stuff that we've seen. We've seen this guy. Let's see if I can name all the places. Barredo. Beja. Porto Brandão. Porto. Santarém. Well, there's been more. I can't think of all the places, but it's interesting that this is his little studio where he makes it, and then he like goes and installs them all over the world. Porcaria, I haven't heard that word in a long time. Porcaria. Can I just tell you guys what a beautiful day it is? It just is the perfect weather. We're walking around, shorts and a t-shirt, and we're in a completely non-touristy part of Lisbon. So I mean, it couldn't get better, could it? This looks like a fun little school coming up. You know what sounds good right about now? Another Snickers bar. That really hit the spot the other day. I find a little mini mercado. Oh, there's one right over here. Look at this pretty little neighborhood. Okay. Well, it cost $1.20 for a Snickers. Well, I'm not sure if I'm supposed to go that way or this way, but it looks more interesting this way, so. Mm-hmm. Wow. Look at this door. That is awesome. Surprised the big dog hasn't come barked at me yet. And look at how much broken glass up there. That is like next level. They don't just want to hurt you, they want to kill you. Look at this place coming up. All the trash everywhere. Looks like where Alex lives in Clockwork Orange. Just walking through the trash to get home.
Where I lived was with my dad and mum in municipal flat block 18A, Linear North.
I love these columns here. This meant to look Egyptian. It does feel that way in here. They set the ambience good with this graffiti. Wonder if that clock ever worked. I mean, I suppose it did. Oh my goodness. This just keeps going. Wow, this place is huge. I feel so small in the middle of this huge abandonedness. More stairs going down somewhere. I'm loving when there's like graffiti on all the walls. It's well lit up. I don't feel like I'm gonna get murdered, but I do still kind of have a little bit of that feeling. I wonder if I'll run into anyone else. Oh, it's getting creepy looking. Okay?
Só tens que não tropeçar em alguma coisa.
Não vou tocar nada.
Não é tocar nada. Tu tropeçar e cair.
Você sabe o que este edifício foi antigamente?
Sei.
O que foi?
Isto era uma escola de mecânica, de eletricidade, de canalização, de madeira, carpintaria, né? E depois vêm fazer, né? Muito pessoal vem fazer, como se diz?
Grafite?
Grafites,
Yeah.
Onde faziam teatro, ali era o palco.
Muito
Estás a ver?
Eu vou ficar só por aqui.
De resto, visitar que ninguém te faz mal. Qualquer coisa, ou que basta cá. Okay?
Obrigado, obrigado. So I wonder if we're going to find people living in this building on the upper levels too. Oh my goodness, look who it is. It's Bert Simpson and Fraser Crane.
It was the best of times. It was the worst of times.
Wait, whoa. Which was it?
Oh, that guy's just taking a little piece of something that he needs. This will be perfect for my little quintal over here. No one will see me if I walk quick. Oh wow, look at this. All burned. Oh, look at all that old bread. That's all bread just down on the ground there. Is that for the homeless people who live here? Oh wow, where does this go? Oh wow. Like, what was this area? We'll just take a little peek. Oh, all these are loose. All right, that's the view out the top of the freaking top of the roof. That's enough adventure for today. Let's go see what else we can see on our way to the other train station. Don't ever go exploring in places like this by yourself. If something bad happens, you're SOL.
And that's one to grow on.
All right. Let's get our head back in the game. We still got miles and miles to go before we even get to freaking the Orient station. I think I'm lost. Even looking at my maps, I'm not even sure where I'm supposed to be going. I thought we were gonna be on a bigger road, that's for sure. We got a cool dude over here. It's me. Wow, this road is so old. It's got like different cobblestones everywhere. I wish whenever I see these things that they weren't like on the shadowy sides of buildings. Maybe if we go over to this angle. Oh, right here. We can use this to block the sun. I love when you can see the drapes, like they look like ghosts up there. Little like sunflowers on it. Oh, this building looks awesome. That almost looks Art Deco as well, doesn't it? Is it abandoned? Can't tell. If they don't tear this down or do anything to it, I mean, This needs to stay. This is so cool.
Abel Pereira da Fonseca.
Abel Pereira da Fonseca.
Ok. És exportador de vinho português. Vinho.
Bonita. Eu gosto muito deste...
E tem que ficar.
Sim, tem que
E
ficar.
aquele também tem que ficar. Aqui a faixa tem. Por dentro, agora isto fica e aquilo fica.
O senhor mora aqui, perto?
Nascido e criado há 80 anos.
80 anos.
Sim. Nas embaixadas portuguesas.
E este é por quem?
Para oferecer a uma muchacha.
Over here, the old man was saying they used to make military stuff like pistols and things like that. Well, what do we got here? Welcome parking only for campers. This is like some kind of hippie commune. Oh, a guy in there had my haircut, exactly. Maybe I need to cut my hair so I don't look like a hippie anymore. Whoa, look at this. All this new construction. These are weird looking houses. I wonder if one day in the future anyone will be like walking through here and be like, wow, look how old these are. Look at this old school architecture. It's so quaint. Well, I guess it's time to get a scooter and scoot our butts on down to Orient. That guy fishing is using real worms for bait. Looks like it'd be on an old movie, you know, with like Humphrey Bogart or something going on a cruise. He meets some girl out on the deck. There we go, there's a scooty. It's hard to scoot on cobblestone and film at the same time. I'm scooting. Oh, I challenge you guys to scoot one-handed on cobblestone. It is not easy peasy. Oh good, we're coming up on that. Oh. That is better. Is that working? I just stuck the camera in my shirt. And there's the aquarium. There's a dragon. Ooh, do I dare ride next to the edge? It'll be smoother. Oh, there we go. Woo! Whew. I can't even feel my feet. They're like so numb. Oh, that's nice. And we are in the Park of Nations. Over there, that's the aquarium. You can take these little gondolas all the way around. This is where they had the expo in 1998, if I haven't already mentioned that. So all this was built new in 1998 for the expo, the World Fair, including this mall over here and the station that we're gonna go look at. End. All right, so that cost me €3.40. Well, it's like 5 or 6 p.m. I guess I'll get myself some dinner here at Vasco da Gama Mall, which is like one of the bigger, nicer malls in all of Portugal. What do you think I was gonna get? Right through the mall now, and we're going over to the Orient station. And this station was built, well, it was finished May 19th, 1998 to be exact, which was just a few days after the final episode of Seinfeld. And check out the cool architecture in here. I love this station. So this station has many levels. You've got the metro all the way at the bottom. You've got buses here, and up top you've got the trains. So everything you need all in one station. Looks even cooler when you go up to the top levels and look all the way down. So here's the metro station in Orient. They got some cool tiles. I want to show you guys the one on the other side though. So check this mural out. The other day I was over here and I was looking at it. Do you guys know where this dude's from? Check this out. Random Huey, Dewey, and Louie. in the middle of this awesome little mural. Now I gotta run onto here. I got to ride a scooter. Yeah, that was a pretty fun day.
It had been a wonderful evening, and what I needed now to give it the perfect ending was a bit of the old Ludwig van.
This is 1,000 monkeys working at 1,000 typewriters. Soon, they'll have written the greatest novel known to man. Let's see. It was the best of times. It was the blurst of times. You stupid monkey! You shut